क्लाइंट सस्ते क्लाइंट लेके आते हैं आपके पास और आपको लगता है मेरा काम तो रेफरल से चल रहा है। नहीं सर, जो बाकी सबने मना किया हुआ है ना, जो सबका रिजेक्ट क्लाइंट है इंडस्ट्री का, वो आपके पास आ रहा है। Finally, you have to build a team
ये
and
किसके
you have to
हैं?
have budgets to be able to give the team a good operations person and a good secretary to help you solve many problems. अब एक छोटा सा पोल करते हैं देखने के लिए कि ये सारी 6 मैंने आपको बताई प्रॉब्लम्स और ये कुछ सीक्रेट्स मैंने आपको बताई। अब ये सब देखने के बाद लेट मी सी आप में से कितनी आपकी एजेंसीज आर ऑन ग्रोथ पाथ, अपवर्ड और डाउनवर्ड। रेडी? लेट्स डू इट। Let's do it, ladies and gentlemen. Let's take a few minutes and take this beautiful poll for you to be able to understand how this works. I'm going to give all of you people 1 minute. Please take the poll.
सुबह वाला करना।
Nice to see the youngest agency founder is maybe less than 6 months. Small Mr. Mathur or Miss Mathur. Awesome. So guys, have you all done the poll? 86 people have done the poll so
रिचार्ज नहीं
far.
करना।
I want all 121 people to do the poll so that I can give you an analysis
20
of
का है
how
ना?
many people are
छूट नहीं होगा।
actually going up or going down in their agency. 190 people have done the poll.
फ्री वाला मंथ तो दे दिया आपको। 2-3 महीने हो गए अभी तो।
Okay, great. Now let's go to the next level.
पुलिस का चार्ज
190
लगा।
people have done the poll. Okay. We're going to share the results as well. Ladies and gentlemen, how many people feel after doing the poll you're going up or you're going down? How many people are going up or down? In the comments, you can let me know. Okay, very good, very good. Stagnant, yeah, a lot of people get stagnant. Very good. Very good, Jitendra Mania, Ekta Solanki, Sambhav Shah. Okay, Asif is stagnant. Ekta saying no. Okay. Urge to maintain everything myself. Everything maintained हो नहीं रहा ना. Guys, the success fund can help you scale. How many people have understood the concept of the success fund? If it's clear, just type C in the comments. Okay. Only if you understand the root cause of your business problems. Okay. Let me tell you the truth. Your business problems are nothing but personal problems in disguise. If you struggle to delegate, you've got control issues and lack of systems. Okay. If you have inconsistent sales, you've got limited beliefs causing you to self-sabotage and stop from improving. Right? अगर आपको ये बात समझ आएगी तो साथ के साथ बताते रहना. If you're working 12 hours, you lack prioritization and systems. And if you're overwhelmed by your to-do list, you think progress is made by working more, but not by doing the right things. If your business is stopping, it's not because of the business, it is because your own personal discipline problems. अगर आपको डेलीगेट करना चाहिए और आप नहीं कर रहे हैं बिकॉज यू गॉट कंट्रोल इश्यूज एंड आपके सिस्टम्स ठीक नहीं है, तो आप कैसे डेलीगेट करोगे? किसी और को दोगे जो ठीक तरीके से नहीं करेगा, उसकी गलती नहीं है, आप फ्रस्ट्रेट हो जाते हो दूसरे लोगों के
फ्री मंथ
ऊपर जब वो
कौन से
काम नहीं कर
महीने
रहे हैं, लेकिन आपने सिस्टम्स के ऊपर काम नहीं
कौन से
किया है,
महीने में फ्री
बल्कि
मंथ
आप
होगा?
अगर आपकी इनकंसिस्टेंट सेल्स आ रही हैं तो यू गॉट लिमिटिंग बिलीव्स कॉजिंग यू टू सेल्फ सैबोटाज। आपको खुद लगता है कि मैं बड़ा टिकट कर ही नहीं सकता, आई डोंट डिजर्व इट, मेरी एजेंसी इतनी बड़ी है नहीं, मुझे छोटे क्लाइंट्स ही मिलेंगे। अगर आप 12 घंटे काम कर रहे हो और फिर भी आपका काम खत्म नहीं हो रहा है तो आप प्रायोरिटी नहीं कर रहे हो,
तो पाँच
P1
महीने ही
P2
तो हो रहे हैं।
P3 सारे काम जरूरी लग रहे हैं आपको, आप P3 से शुरू कर रहे हो। लो क्वालिटी वाले जो लो प्रायोरिटी वाले जो काम होते
6
हैं
के
उन्हें
बाद
करना
7वां
शुरू कर
महीना
दीजिए।
फ्री है।
और अगर आप ओवरवेल्म हो बाय योर टू डू लिस्ट के बहुत कुछ है करने को लेकिन काम खत्म नहीं हो रहा, तो
5 महीने हो
आपको लगता है
गए।
ज्यादा काम
ये
करने से
छठा
काम
महीना
होता है,
आपका।
जबकि प्रायोरिटाइज
अगले
करने से
महीने
काम
शुरू
होता है।
होगा।
टेल मी हाउ मेनी पीपल आर गिल्टी ऑफ 1, 2, 3 and 4, और some people might be saying
ये
I'm
एक
guilty
फीस
of all
आने का
4.
दूसरा
Let me know
फीस
in the
फ्री
comments.
होगा इसमें। अभी कर रही हूँ।
और अगर एक्स्ट्रा टाइम आना हो तो जैसे अभी छुट्टी है मेरी 15 दिन की,
मैसेज डाल दो।
जैसे अब सुबह 8 से 2 का है ना, 8 से 5
Boss, so far are things making sense to you? Is it appealing to you where we are going?
तो फिर वही वापस जाना होगा।
Think about it like this.
वैसे 800
What decides how your business operates?
600
Who
वापस
decides your team
100
structure?
रुपया जमा कर दो।
आप मुझे बताइए, who decides your strategies and
15 दिन
systems?
के
15 तारीख के बाद
I think you do, right? So your business problems are not anybody else's problem. They are symptoms. Symptoms of personal problems. आगे बढ़ने से पहले प्लीज फोन से निकल के लैपटॉप पे आ जाइए। कीप अ पेपर एंड अ पेन हैंडी, क्योंकि जो आप लिखते हो वो आपकी ब्रेन में जाता है। प्लीज डोंट डू एनी पर्सनल प्रमोशन। पर्सनल प्रमोशन करने के लिए ज्वाइन द न्यूज़लेटर, टेल अस अबाउट योर एजेंसी, आई विल फीचर यू। पर्सनल प्रमोशन करने के लिए ज्वाइन द टैफ लिंक्डइन एंड इंस्टाग्राम ग्रुप, आई विल फीचर यू। एनी मार्केटिंग हेल्प यू नीड, वी विल फीचर यू ऑन ऑल आवर चैनल्स। आज के बाद मैं आपको कुछ होमवर्क देने वाला हूँ। आई वुड रियली वांट ऑल ऑफ यू पीपल टू डू द होमवर्क, और जो मैं आपको एक्टिविटीज पोल्स वगैरह देता रहूंगा उसमें पार्टिसिपेट जरूर कीजिएगा। इन द नेक्स्ट 2 hours आई एम गोइंग टू शो यू 3 क्रूशियल सिस्टम्स जिससे आपकी ये जो आज की जो प्रॉब्लम है वो सॉल्व हो जाएगी। नंबर 1, आई एम गोइंग टू टेल यू द टाइम ऑडिट, ओके, व्हाई यू ओवरवर्कड एंड स्टिल स्टक। सेकंड, आई एम गोइंग टू टेल यू द पोजीशनिंग, आप कैसे अपनी मार्केटिंग पोजीशनिंग माइक्रो नीश चूज कर सकते हो। थर्ड, आई एम गोइंग टू टेल यू द बिजनेस P&L, व्हाई यू आर ग्रोइंग, बढ़ रहा है मेरा काम लेकिन मेरे पास फिर भी पैसे नहीं है। ये सब करना हम आपको आज सिखाएंगे लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन। और जो लोग लास्ट तक रुकेंगे उन्हें मेरा जो जिससे मैं अपनी 100 लोगों की कंपनी चलाता हूँ वो वाला आपको बोगस का प्लानर मिलेगा, और दूसरा आपको सारे एड्स जो हमने और हमारे मेंबर्स ने चलाए हैं उन सारे एड्स का कॉपी मिलेगी। ऑल दी एड्स, डिफरेंट डिफरेंट इंडस्ट्री में कौन से एड्स चलाने, ताकि आपको उसी से क्लाइंट्स मिल जाए हाई टिकट। हाउ मेनी पीपल वांट द रिपोर्ट टू बी एबल टू नो हाउ टू क्रिएट हाई टिकट एड्स फॉर एजेंसी बिजनेस?
कोई भी
Just say
आए
I,
कर रहा है।
stay till the very end, and I will give all this to you. Ladies and gentlemen, many years ago, I don't know how many, आप लोग actually, how old are my agency founders here today? How old are you guys? 23, 24. Okay, very nice. Good, good. अभी तो बहुत बैटिंग बची है आप सब में। Lovely, lovely, lovely. Okay. So guys, I was 18 years old, born and brought up in New Delhi, India. All I wanted to do was 2 things in life. I wanted to race street cars and I wanted to go abroad to study. सब कुछ हो गया था, एडमिशन वगैरह के पेपर सबमिट हो गए थे, सब हो गया था, मार्क्स भी ठीक ठाक आए थे, लेकिन मेरे डैड लॉस्ट ऑफ मनी, सेड हम बाहर नहीं जा सकते। हमारा घर बेचा हमने, उसके बाद थोड़े दिनों बाद गाड़ी बेची, टेम्पो में हमने सामान निकाला, और मेरे डैड ने बोला कि बाहर जाने के कोई पैसे नहीं है, गाड़ियां भी हम बेच चुके हैं, अब तुम्हारे पास एक ही ऑप्शन है कि हमारे साथ काम करना शुरू करो। उस टाइम मुझे अपने डैड को सपोर्ट करना चाहिए था, लेकिन मैं गुस्से में था कि मेरा सारा करियर खत्म हो गया, मेरे सारे सपने खत्म हो गए। एक एंग्री एंटरप्रेन्योर, एक एंग्री यंगस्टर था मैं। उस टाइम एक नया फिनोमेना आया था, उसका नाम था इंटरनेट, और इट वाज लाइक क्रिप्टो। आज की डेट में क्रिप्टो सब करना चाहते हैं लेकिन सबको आता नहीं है, उसी तरीके से इंटरनेट सब करना चाहते थे, लोगों को आता नहीं था। इंटरनेट पे पंगे लेने शुरू करे, लोगों से मिलके कुछ वेबसाइट्स बनानी शुरू करी, कुछ होटल्स और गेस्ट हाउसेस की वेबसाइट्स बनाई, उनमें बिजनेस आना शुरू हुआ, लोगों ने मुझे हायर करना शुरू कर दिया अपने आप बिजनेस लाने के लिए। महीने में एक बार एक कस्टमर आता था, 2 आते थे, 3 आते थे। मेरे डैड का भी एक छोटा-सा गेस्ट हाउस था 15-20 कमरे का, उसके लिए भी मैं बिज़नेस लेके आता था। धीरे-धीरे मेरे पास इतना बिज़नेस आने लग गया इंटरनेट से कि मैं सबके होटल भरने लग गया। पहले एक गाड़ी लेके जाता था, फिर एक टेम्पो ट्रैवलर लेके जाता था, फिर बस लेके जाता था और सबको गेस्ट देता था और वहाँ से कमीशन लेता था। मेरी वेबसाइट चलने लग गई और मुझे लगा कि अब मैं सक्सेसफुल हो गया हूँ। मैंने 100 वेबसाइट बना डाली। लेकिन इतनी जल्दी स्केल करने से विदाउट अ मेंटर, विदाउट अ कोच मैं गिर गया और 100 वेबसाइट सारी की सारी क्रैश हो गई। सिर्फ 2 वेबसाइट चली। एक का नाम था चीपर टिकट्स इंडिया और एक का नाम था होटल अजंता। दोनों वेबसाइट चलने के बाद 3 चीज़ें हुई। ट्रिपएडवाइज़र आया इंडिया में, गूगल आया इंडिया में और फेसबुक आया, एक्सपीडिया आया इंडिया में। इन्होंने आके मेरे को बोला कि आप इंटरनेट में नए हो, सब कुछ आप कर रहे हो, आके स्टेज पे दूसरे लोगों को भी बताओ कि आप क्या कर रहे हो। दैट्स व्हेन आई स्टार्टेड गोइंग ऑन स्टेज एंड टेलिंग पीपल व्हाट आई एम डूइंग फॉर माय डैड्स स्मॉल बिजनेस, फॉर अदर बिजनेसेस। उसके बाद क्या था, लोगों ने हमें हायर करना शुरू कर दिया कि आप हमारे लिए भी डिजिटल मार्केटिंग करो, इंटरनेट मार्केटिंग करो। तो लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन 2009 आई लॉन्च्ड माय एजेंसी इंटरनेट मोगल्स। माय फर्स्ट क्लाइंट वाज शंग्रीला होटल न्यू दिल्ली हू गेव मी 80,000 रुपीस एज अ रिटेलर। और मुझे इतना गुस्सा आया, मैंने बोला 80,000 रुपए मेरी इतनी मेहनत को नहीं दूंगा मैं। 80,000 महीना 2009 में शंग्रीला होटल को मना करने के बाद आई स्पोक टू माय फ्रेंड वृंदा। आज वृंदा बहुत बड़ी एचआर कंसल्टेंट है, लेकिन उस टाइम उसने मुझे बोला, मैंने कहा वृंदा इतनी सालों की मेहनत मेरी 5-6 साल से, और वो मैं उनको सब कुछ बता दूं और 80,000 देंगे सिर्फ महीने का। वृंदा ने बोला तुम हो कौन, तुम्हें कोई जानता नहीं है। अगर शंग्रीला होटल जैसा क्लाइंट मेरे पास आएगा तो मैं तो 80,000 रुपए महीना दे के भी उनको ले लूंगा। उससे मेरा पर्सपेक्टिव चेंज हुआ एंड दैट वाज माय फर्स्ट क्लाइंट शंग्रीला होटल 80,000 अ मंथ 15th अगस्त 2009। उसके बाद माय नेक्स्ट क्लाइंट वाज अराउंड दिसंबर शेरिटन होटल न्यू दिल्ली। बट मुझे रियलाइज हो गया 80-90 हज़ार रुपए के रिटेलर से बिजनेस नहीं चलने वाला। सैलरी भी देनी है, ट्रैवल भी करना है, बहुत कुछ करना है। तो मुझे 4-5 लाख रुपए का क्लाइंट चाहिए था। मुझे रियलाइज हुआ कि होटल इंडस्ट्री में शायद एक क्लाइंट 5 लाख रुपए नहीं देगा उन दिनों में। तो मैं स्पार्क होटल के पास गया, उनके पास 10 होटल थे। मैंने उनको 50-60 हज़ार रुपए पर होटल कोट किया, उन्होंने डिस्काउंट करके 50,000 पर होटल दिया एंड 2010 की मार्च में आई क्लोज्ड द डील ऑफ 5 लाख रुपीस अ मंथ विद पार्क होटल्स एंड दैट्स हाउ माय एजेंसी इंटरनेट मोगल्स हैड स्टार्टेड। लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन, उसके बाद आई यूज्ड टू स्टैमर। मैं टुकराता था, मैं स्टैमर करता था, मेरे से बात नहीं होती थी, स्कूल में मजाक उड़ाया जाता था, बुली होता था। लेकिन मेरी मॉम ने मुझे स्पीच थेरेपी कराई, कॉन्फिडेंस दिया, झूठ बोला मुझे कि डॉक्टर कह रहा है कि तुम बहुत अमेजिंग हो, तुम्हारी आवाज बहुत अच्छी है। और मैं उस चीज को, झूठ को सच मानने लग गया। आई वांट टू टेल यू वन थिंग, व्हेन यू हैव समबडी इन योर लाइफ हु बिलीव्स इन यू, व्हेन यू हैव समबडी हु लव्स यू, हु केयर्स फॉर यू, और वो आप में विश्वास करते हैं, तो आप कुछ भी कर सकते हो। माय मॉम्स put in that Vishwas in me, and ladies and gentlemen, I became a world-class speaker. Today, I'm one of India's highest-paid coaches, and I've built an award-winning agency that works with clients around the world. I run Internet Moguls. It's been profitable since day one. I have 2 hotels. जो मेरे डैड का 17 रूम का होटल था, आज वो 70 रूम का कमरा है, होटल है इन दिल्ली. It's called Ajanta Hotel. My second hotel is a resort in Goa called the Tamarind. And today I am a mentor and advisor at the University of British Columbia and the University of Toronto. जहाँ स्टैमर करते थे और एजुकेशन के लिए खुद बाहर नहीं जा पाए पढ़ने के लिए, जहाँ एमबीए कैंसिल हो गया था, आज बड़ी बड़ी एमबीए इंस्टीट्यूट में जाके पढ़ा रहे हैं। तो लाइफ टेक्स ए यू टर्न गाइस, लाइफ घूम फिर के वहीं आती है। बट बहुत सारे लोग मुझसे पूछते हैं, अगर तुम ये सब कर रहे हो अभी, तो फिर ये वाला काम क्यों कर रहे हो? मैं इसलिए कर रहा हूँ बिकॉज आई अंडरस्टैंड एजेंसी फाउंडर्स की स्पेसिफिक प्रॉब्लम्स है। कोचेस के लिए ग्रुप है, अकाउंटेंट्स के लिए ग्रुप है, लॉयर्स के लिए ग्रुप है, डॉक्टर्स के लिए ग्रुप है, लेकिन इंडिया में एजेंसी फाउंडर्स की प्रॉब्लम्स के लिए कोई एसोसिएशन नहीं है, कोई ग्रुप नहीं है। दैट इज व्हाई वी स्टार्टेड द एजेंसी फाउंडर। लेट मी आस्क यू सम क्वेश्चंस। Did your company get bigger in the last few years? Did the world get more expensive for you in the last few years? Did you add more value or product to your service for your clients in the last few years? Did you give your team more salary, more raise in the last few years? Did you increase your price in the last few years? Ladies and gentlemen, agency founders, you got better for your team, your customer, your family. आपने सबके लिए अच्छा किया except for yourself. सबका ध्यान रख पा रहे हो आप, पर अपना ध्यान नहीं रख पा रहे हो. Because of the fear of raising prices, we cannot grow. Ladies and gentlemen, there is a strategy that I will break down in this webinar. Why have we created this community of agency founders? I want to tell you, ladies and gentlemen, that your environment will always win over your willpower. Your environment will always win over your willpower. Your environment will always win over your willpower. Please close your eyes and visualize yourself in a frame with a picture of 100 agency founders who are graduating together exactly 12 months from today. And all of you people, please keep your eyes closed. All of you people have a very strong micro niche. Your positioning in the market is very clear. When you go on a call, your client doesn't ask you why your prices are expensive. When you go on a call, the clients already know you. You don't have the pressure of performance because you have operations team doing the performance. You're able to travel with your family and be able to run your agency from there. You're able to add at least 2 crore rupees to your agency revenue with a 40% profitability by the end of the year. Ladies and gentlemen, जब तक आप ये सपोर्ट वाला काम अपनी एजेंसी में करते रहोगे, यू कैन ओपन योर आईज नाउ, जब तक आप ये सपोर्ट वाला काम अपनी एजेंसी में करते रहोगे ना, आपका काम कभी सपोर्ट नहीं होगा, आपका काम कभी टाइम फ्री नहीं होगा. You must stop thinking of how, and you must start thinking of who can do the work. You want to know what's stopping you from achieving founder freedom? Ladies and gentlemen, there are different modules on mindset, fitness, getting known, getting leads, getting teams, to be able to create a perfect program which I've created for all of you people. And what I'm going to do is that I'm going to tell the team to give you an agency success clarity form, which will tell you exactly how to go to the next level. Are you ready? Team, can you please give them the details? So my team is going to give you a success form in the chat. I would like you to fill it up. Yeah, the team is sharing the link with all of you people. Yeah, team अभी आ रहे हैं. Abhishek Park, please share the Google form. There we go, it's coming up. Yeah, there's a slight delay in the form coming up. Just give us a few seconds. The team is working on it, sending it to you. There we go. Mr. Park has sent the form. Please click on the form. And fill it up. It's a Google form. I'm going to get the details. Please take a few minutes and fill it up. Okay. Now I'm going to guide you how to fill up this form, okay? Are you building an agency or are you just playing agency? आप सिर्फ खिलवाड़ कर रहे हो या कब सच में business कर रहे हो? Okay? So I'm going to tell you, ladies and gentlemen, 99% agency founders don't really know where they're going. उनके पास ideas है, passion है, but they're stuck in the day-to-day. They're busy, they're not productive. They're reacting, they're not creating anything new. Ladies and gentlemen, this activity will help you zoom out of the day-to-day chaos and gain crystal clarity on your one-year vision, where you need to be headed in the next 12 months, your goals and targets, the milestones that matter the most, the numbers and action steps, बेसिकली अगर आप इन स्टेप्स को स्किप कर दोगे ना, यू आर गैम्बलिंग विद योर फ्यूचर. We're doing this together, okay? So let's fill it out. My team has shared the Google form with you right now. Click on it and we'll go through the agency success form together. Number 1 is your name, email, phone number, agency name. Where would you like your agency to be this time next year? Please fill it up in the form. What is your target monthly revenue, recurring revenue in 1 year? How many clients would you like to have? List the top 3 services that you're currently offering. List the top 3 services that you're currently offering. List them. What can you do for your clients that will give them a tangible ROI? ध्यान से सोच के लिखिएगा, कच्चा पक्का आता है नहीं आता doesn't matter. Just write down something. What is your main offer? Name and features. What is the monthly charge for this offer? Will the offer provide measurable ROI? Now, your customer avatar. List the pain points of your customer. मुझे 3 pain points बता दीजिए अपने customer. उनकी कौन सी pain points है जो आप remove करते हो? Shishir Bari, Bob Marley, Sambhav Shah, Gajendra. Now tell me, what are the gains of your customer? आपको क्या gain मिलता है? आपकी customer को आपके साथ काम करके क्या gain मिलता है? And who is this not for? कौन सा customer है? मुझे ऐसा customer नहीं चाहिए. Low paying, late paying, toxic client, ऐसा behavior, वैसा behavior. Which are the clients you do not want in your agency? Okay, next, financial check. How much revenue did your business generate last year? How much did your business spend last year? Paid ads खर्चे होंगे, कोई mentorship करी होगी, कोई course करा होगा, अपने business पे आपने कोई लोगों को hire किया, कितना business पे कितना पैसा खर्चा आपने last year? What generated the maximum revenue in your business last year? Guys, I want 100% of you people to filling up this form. This is a completely free webinar. We work very hard day in and day out to be able to create a system to help agency founders. And I really request all of you people to take it very, very seriously. This is not a passive program. You cannot watch this webinar. You have to engage in this webinar. I need the answers from all of you people in the query form. What did not work very well last year for you? What did not work very well for you last year? What were the lessons you took away from it? Time lagega, but I want the answers from each and every one of you, please. By doing this exercise, you will understand exactly where your agency stands today and what you need to do to reach your goals, helping you build a clear step-by-step guide to build your business the smart way. Right? Ladies and gentlemen, the agencies, आपको agency model पे विश्वास कभी-कभी doubt होता है by the way. Let me ask you an honest question. कभी आप लोगों को doubt होता है agency model में? क्या मैं ठीक कर रहा हूँ, ये business ठीक भी है कि नहीं, मुझे कुछ और करना चाहिए? कभी-कभी doubt होता है, just tell me honestly in the comments. मेरी agency model चलेगी कि नहीं चलेगी, आगे क्या होगा? कभी-कभी doubt होता है. How many people have this doubt? Yes, okay. Thank you for being honest. Can I tell you what the agency world is going? What is going to happen in the agency world? हम हैं कौन? Who are we people? Can I tell you? So you could not hear the sound, so I'm just going to play it again.
always say कि agency founders are the backbone of the startup ecosystem. शार्क टैंक में हर entrepreneur ये पूछता है, जो शार्क्स हैं वो ये पूछते हैं, अच्छा ये बताओ डिजिटल स्ट्रैटेजी क्या है, और फिर वो पीछे जाके बात करते हैं इसकी स्ट्रैटेजी अच्छी, इसमें फंड कर दो. और मैं एजेंसी फाउंडर्स को कहता हूँ, अगर सारे के सारे एजेंसी फाउंडर्स इंडिया के 3 दिन के लिए छुट्टी पे चले गए तो व्हाट विल हैपन टू द स्टार्टअप इकोसिस्टम? अपने आप को पहचानो हाउ इंपॉर्टेंट यू आर. एंड इनफैक्ट आई गो वन स्टेप नेक्स्ट लेवल एंड आई से दैट जैसे गवर्नमेंट ने किया ना कि सीए हैज टू साइन योर बैलेंस शीट एंड यू नो तब जाके आपकी बैलेंस शीट जाती है. आई थिंक एवरीबडी शुड एजेंसीज शुड गेट रेगुलेटेड और दिखना चाहिए उसके ऊपर इसने इतना करा है, इसका 4x रिटर्न है, इसका 5x का एवरेज है, एंड देन सारा जो पूरे एजेंसी फाउंडर्स है वो माइनस हो जाएंगे, रिच एजेंसी फाउंडर्स रहेंगे, क्लाइंट्स को भी अच्छे लोग मिलेंगे, एंड देन सेम.
So guys, does this make sense to you? Does this make sense to you? That agency founders are the backbone, guys. हमारी वजह से चल रहा है सब कुछ. अगर हम नहीं है तो आगे कुछ नहीं हो पाएगा. How many people believe in this? Just say I in the comment box if you believe in the fact that we are the people who are driving the economy. Okay, so let's uncover the 3 secrets to unlock your freedom in your agency. अब मैं आपको 3 ऐसी सीक्रेट्स बताने वाला हूँ जो आपको सारे आंसर दे देगी to how to run a successful agency. Are you ready? Guys, I want full josh from all of you. Are you ready or are you ready? In the comments, please. Okay. So time, money, energy audit. Why are you overworked and still stuck? अरे ज़्यादा काम करने से तो काम खत्म हो जाना चाहिए, but वो नहीं हो रहा. Ladies and gentlemen, this is a time, money, energy audit that happens when you invest more time doing what you should not do. So I'm going to invite one person from all of you people over here. Can I invite Mr. Sambhav to please switch on his camera, switch on his mic and join us. Hi Sambhav Shah, how are you? Please unmute Sambhav and get him on the screen, guys. Guys, can you all give it up for Sambhav in the comments, please? Some fire emojis for Mr. Sambhav Shah. Sambhav, quickly, can you just introduce yourself to everybody?
Hi guys, my name is Sambhav. I'm from Ahmedabad. We do digital marketing, video and performance marketing. And we do marketing for the healthcare sector.
कुछ पता ही नहीं चला.
Excellent. So Sambhav, if somebody wants to get in touch with you, how can they get in touch? Can you put your Instagram link?
बंद कर जल्दी भाग ले.
Sure.
जल्दी.
So guys, I don't know Sambhav, I'm just meeting him for the first time, but like I promised you, I'm going to feature somebody and help you people collaborate. So we picked Sambhav right now. Instagram.com/Sambhav Shah. So Abhishek, can you just put a link on it so people can easily click on it, because this is not a clickable link. I want everybody to get to know some of the members. Okay. So Sambhav, I'm going to do a time, money, energy audit with you in front of everybody here today. Are you ready? 121 people are going to watch you do the time, money, energy audit, which is going to completely shift the way you run your agency. Are you ready? Sambhav, मुझे थोड़ा सा जोश और चाहिए आपसे.
Sure. Now
Okay. Lovely. ये हुई ना बात. तो guys, Sambhav का Instagram link has already come here. Can you all please click on the Instagram link and just follow Sambhav? Awesome. I like the smile on Gajendra's face. He's fully excited. आगे क्या होने वाला है? Love it, love it. और आप लोगों की excitement से feed in होता है हमारा आगे का revenue. So all of you people are now following Mr. Sambhav Shah from Ahmedabad. बताया आपने?
yes.
Okay, lovely. Okay, Sambhav, what is your target for the month? How much money do you want to make every month?
1 year.
1 year per month.
Yes.
वेरी गुड, यू स्पोक लाइक अ ट्रू गुजराती, लव इट। सो आपको 1 करोड़ रुपए अगर महीना कमाना है, देखिए हम कहते हैं हम 12-14 घंटे काम करते हैं, बट 8 घंटे एक नॉर्मल काम होता है, जो अच्छा काम 8 घंटे में होता है। सो 8 आवर्स 5 days a week is how many? 40 hours.
40.
40 into 4 weeks is 160 hours, guys. Approximately 160 hours. All of us are working. तो अगर इन्हें 1 करोड़ रुपए
Yes.
तक पहुंचना है, तो इनका पर आवर कॉस्ट कितना होना चाहिए, बताएंगे कोई मुझे? 1 करोड़ को अगर आप डिवाइड करेंगे 160 से, तो मिस्टर संभव शाह, हाँ जी,
2,500.
कितना?
62,500.
62,500 पर आवर के हिसाब से रन रेट चलेगा, करेक्ट? एवरीबडी इज ऑन द सेम पेज? भाई 1 करोड़ का एजेंसी फाउंडर बनना है, आप किसी ने 10 लाख का बनना है, किसी ने 15 लाख का बनना है। आप लोग सब बताइए मुझे, आप सबने कमेंट्स में मुझे बताइए आपने कितने का फाउंडर बनना है। हाउ मच यू वांट योर एजेंसी टू मेक एवरी मंथ? कमेंट्स में बताइए। कोई कहता है 10 लाख, कोई 15 लाख। महीने के हिसाब से कितने में आप पहुंचना चाहते हो? संभव में तो सबका रेट कोई बढ़ा दिया, 1 करोड़, सब कुछ करोड़ से कम, आप बात ही नहीं कर रहे। पिछले वेबिनार पे 25 लाख 30 लाख से ऊपर का गया ही नहीं था सपना। वेरी गुड, यू रेज द बार। ओके ग्रेट। सो किसी का 10 लाख है, किसी का कुछ है, तो आपका जो भी टारगेट है ना, डिवाइडेड बाय 160 एंड टेल मी योर पर आवर कॉस्ट कितना होना चाहिए एंड पुट इट इन द कमेंट्स। सार्थक यू सेइंग 10-20 लाख से मैं स्टार्ट करूंगा पर मंथ, ठीक है सार्थक, तो 20 लाख डिवाइड बाय 160 बता दीजिए। टेल मी इन द कमेंट्स व्हाट शुड बी योर पर आवर कॉस्ट।
देखो अच्छा लग रहा है।
व्हाट शुड बी योर पर आवर कॉस्ट?
देखो क्या लग रहा है?
गाइस आप लोग अपना मंथली टर्नओवर को 160 से डिवाइड करके जो आपका पर आवर आएगा उसको अपने कमेंट्स में डालना है।
चुटकी से चुटकी
6250 सार्थक का आया। ओके, कम ऑन ऑल ऑफ यू पीपल। किसी का 3125 आया, किसी का 6250 आया। ग्रेट, ऑसम। सो यू पीपल हैव गॉट दिस कॉन्सेप्ट नाउ। अभी हम लोग कितने सारे, हम लोग क्या करते हैं, हम लोग डिजाइन, रील्स बनाना, एडिटिंग करना, सोशल मीडिया, फॉलो अप, जो हो, बहुत सारे काम करते हैं, राइट? तो 20-25,000 में आपका कोई असिस्टेंट या सेक्रेटरी कर सकता है, यस और यस,
Yes.
राइट? एक नहीं होगा, 2 सेक्रेटरी हो जाएंगे, 2 नहीं होंगे, 3 हो जाएंगे, 25,000। अगर वो 25,000 वाले का पर आवर कॉस्ट कितना है, 160 आवर से डिवाइड करें तो आपकी कंपनी में 2 लोगों की जरूरत है। वन इज द पर्सन हु डज द ऑपरेशन, सो यू कैन ओनली डू द सेल्स, एंड यू नीड वन पर्सन टू बी एबल टू डू द सेक्रेटेरियल वर्क, छोटा मोटा काम। सो मान लीजिए आपका ऑपरेशन पर्सन इज चार्जिंग 50-60,000 रुपीज, एंड यू मान लीजिए आपका 20-25,000 आपका असिस्टेंट ले रहे हैं, तो मुझे असिस्टेंट का पर आवर कॉस्ट बताइए और ऑपरेशन वाले का पर आवर कॉस्ट बताइए। उनकी सैलरी डिवाइडेड बाय 160 कितना आया पर आवर? 125. Nishant Sharma is the first one to say it. Rufi sir 156. Have you been able to understand that ये 2 लोग अगर आप लेके आते हो, so guys अगर 125, 156, 100 रुपीज उनका पर आवर कॉस्ट आ रहा है, so by doing the work that they have to do, आप उनका काम करके अपने 62,000 रुपए का घंटे का नुकसान कर रहे हो या नहीं कर रहे हो?
Yes.
Yes or yes? You will never be able to reach the target number unless you change the per hour, क्योंकि आपके hours are limited, और आपने बोला इन आवर्स में मैं किसी और का काम करूंगा, तो वो आवर में वो पैसे आने ही नहीं वाले जो आपके पास आने चाहिए। यू हैव टू बी डूइंग द सेल्स, बी सेंडिंग द प्रपोजल्स, doing the webinars, creating the ads, working on your positioning, hiring a mentor, going on webinars, doing the homework to be able to level up to get 60,000 an hour or 6,000 an hour. But what are you doing? You are saying कि मैं उसका काम करूंगा क्योंकि मैं उसको हायर नहीं कर सकता, मैं उसको अफोर्ड नहीं कर सकता। तो आपने अपने घंटे लो टिकट आवर से भर लिए हैं, तो आपके पास आगे घंटे नहीं है। यू आर फीलिंग बर्न्ट आउट एंड यू हैव नो मनी। Does that make sense?
जो भी पान लेके आते
The money will come by replacing this, or you will be able to replace by getting the right people at the right job. Okay? तो ये हमने, ये जो एग्जांपल है, this is a time money audit sheet. Guys, you don't need, ये limiting belief है, I need more leads,
और ये जल्दी
I just need more leads or more people to scale. I don't have time to fix this. I'm too busy. Once I hit 10 lakhs, 20 lakhs a month, तो मेरा कंट्रोल अपने आप आ जाएगा. नहीं सर, कोई कंट्रोल नहीं आएगा जब तक आप इस चीज को नहीं बदलोगे. Moment of truth, your growth is being buried by misused resources. You are likely leaking time on low leverage work, spending money to solve the wrong problems and directing energy in 10 different ways. To all of you people like to please, because मैंने शुरू में आपसे pledge लिया है mom, dad, husband, wife सब कुछ, क्योंकि जो हम करते हैं अपनी family के लिए करते हैं. Can you honestly put your hand on your heart and tell me in the comments what is the one biggest mistake you think you're making after running this concept? क्या चीज आपको लग रहा है कि मैं गलत कर रहा हूँ? Put it in the comments.
मुटका है मिनी.
Because only if you acknowledge it, you will start changing it from tomorrow. क्या गलती कर रहे हो? What is the गलती नहीं बोलूँगा. I would like to call it a blunder. That's right. Are you understanding? You cannot do this. This is step one of the change that you need to make in your business, ladies and gentlemen. Excellent. Thank you for being very honest to yourself. Okay. Now I will give you a live walkthrough of no sales. No sales and how founders lack this clarity. कि सेल नहीं आ रही उनके पास. To calculate how having no sales. How much money are you making monthly? How many hours do you work? फॉर्मूला पर आवर आपने अपना कॉस्ट निकाला और आपने इसमें निकाला कि आपका पास फिटनेस के लिए कितना टाइम है, लीड्स के लिए कितना टाइम है, सेल्स के लिए कितना टाइम है, टीम्स के लिए कितना टाइम है. ये सारा ऑडिट करने के बाद आपको समझ आता है कि आपने अगर इसको चेंज कर दिया, यू विल बिकम लाइक आदित्य अय्यर, who is one of our members. Aditya has scaled his webinar funnel and made it 1 crore a month and built teams using the Get Teams framework. Okay, now let's go to secret number 2. Positioning. The space you occupy in your client's mind. जब आपकी पोजीशन अनक्लियर होती है ना, then you sound like everybody else. Clients don't get why you're better and you get ghosted. How many people have gotten ghosted from their clients? यार वो डील इतनी अच्छी थी, इतनी बढ़िया प्रेजेंटेशन गई, क्लाइंट was so happy, उसने कहा I'll get back to you. और उसने जो पैसे आपको बोले ना, 1 लाख रुपए मंथली रिटेनर, वो आपने अपने माइंड में खर्च भी दिए किसी ना किसी काम में, मेंटली खर्च भी दिए, लेकिन वो क्लाइंट यार पता नहीं क्या प्रेजेंटेशन मेरी, एक्चुअली अभी प्रॉब्लम क्या है, माय प्रेजेंटेशन गो वेरी वेल बट आई एम नॉट एबल टू स्केल बिकॉज़ द क्लाइंट डजंट गेट बैक टू मी. द क्लाइंट डजंट गेट बैक टू यू बिकॉज़ ही वाज नॉट एबल टू सी एनी वैल्यू फ्रॉम यू. Now I'm going to help you clear your positioning. Okay, are all 170 people here ready to completely change their positioning today? Okay, so I'm going to call Roof Razor. I don't know how to pronounce your name, but I like the way you set up your mic and everything. Looks very cool. Nice high definition camera. I'd love to talk to you. Can you please introduce yourself, your name, agency name, and what you do?
I'm Vivan, and I help language academies get new student enrollment with the help of digital automation system.
Wow, very nice, very nice. संभव आप भी बताइए आपकी क्या है वो?
आ जाएगा ना, बाहर रख के आओ, फिर खाली रह जाएगा वो बोतल.
Please unmute Sambhav also.
So, we help healthcare professionals to get more leads and to get more patients.
Very good. And Akanksha, would you also like to tell us about your positioning?
मीना को एक बार देख ले, बोले फ्लश चला के पानी गिरा दे, अच्छा से चला रही है, देख तू ले, गेट खुला करके कर रही है, पानी गिरा दे, बोल दे बाहर नहीं कर रही है, पर देख क्या बाहर नहीं करी है ना, अंदर ही करी है ना बस.
Yeah, it wasn't allowing me to. Hi, so I'm Akanksha. I'm a producer. I run a production house in Bombay. To be very honest, it's not doing really badly. But I just wanted to come up and meet up. We don't, like you rightly said, we don't really have an avenue where you can meet other founders to understand. What is the next step? What do you usually do? You don't really have a mentor. You've been trying and testing things on your own, and you come to a very a point where you're not growing. It comes to like the whole stationary space, and you also want to know, okay, listen, what am I doing wrong? What can I do to make this a better situation, make it a much more nicer growth, and you want to learn every day,
And you
right?
feel
I think it was an interesting.
Of course.
I thought I'll just come and say hi and just see what else happening over here, and
Of
if you
course,
can
no.
learn anything new.
Of course, no. Welcome. You do have to learn more to earn more. That's the basic rule of
Always.
entrepreneurship. But tell us, how do you position your agency? So I just want to tell all of you people how
So I
a
have a few.
position can
So I've
help.
been producing for the last 20 years, actually, to be honest. And I do things from small format. I moved to larger format feature films. That's where I was for very long. But the movie market is really, really bad right now because there's no theatrical release happening, and that's when you have to pivot and you have to figure out what's your next space. Which is when I moved on to say social media and ad films. So last 5 years I've been aggressively going there. So I make my money in the ad films and I spend it in the feature films.
क्या पूछना है?
And then you
Got it.
realize that you don't really grow then. What you're doing is that actually you're burning from, you're earning and you're burning. So I don't want to be
Sure.
doing that anymore. I think I'm going to aggressively move in this social media. But the thing is, you know what you rightly said. I'm used to working on 1 crore ads. Like each ad film of mine is a crore each. And now the market has come down, giving us like 5 lakhs and 6 lakhs. If
Yeah.
I'm not doing it, the people who are going to do it, doing it for 5 lakhs. So now I have to unlearn all my bigger and come down to the lowest denominator.
Right.
And
No,
I
I don't
think
think you
that
have
is
to
where
come
the
down to the
crucial
lowest
part is right
denominator. I'll
now.
tell you how to fix this today itself. I'd like to get one more person so I can get all 4 of you, and then I'll tell you how to reposition yourself. Sanjeev,
खाना खाई थी?
please unmute Sanjeev Adhikari.
क्या खाई थी?
Yeah, please tell us about yourself and how you position your agency.
पानी पी जितना पानी
Okay, so my name is Sanjit and I am running the Google Ads agency.
जो पानी का
And we are
बोतल
basically
लगा
helping real
पानी
estate
नहीं आ रहा,
businesses
पानी
in
दे।
Dubai market only. Specifically, we are working only real estate, and we are basically helping to grow their business and provide the qualified leads for using the Google Ads.
Okay, lovely. So we've got 4 examples, guys. All of you people, be ready with your positioning, and I'm going to give you a framework on how to change your positioning. This changes everything. Okay, everybody. Let me tell you one thing. There is nothing called a down market. There's nothing called a down market. If there's a down market, people want agencies. If there's an up market, people want agencies, right? Because it's like fuel. You cannot not work with fuel. Nobody's going to. If they don't know how your fuel can get me to the next level, then unless you give them an outcome, which I'm going to teach you right now in the next 5 minutes. But I want to drive home this one principle. If your messaging is not clear, you confuse, you lose, you clarify, you win. You cannot tell people. You cannot be solution oriented. You need to be outcome oriented. So let's go start with Sanjit. So Sanjit goes to builders and he tells them, I'll do Google ads for you and all of that. You know what the client is hearing? All of you people know and listen to Red FM. All of you people listen to 93.1 FM. The client only listens to one channel, and that's where you need to talk. The name of the channel is WIFM. What's in it for me? What's in it for me? If he doesn't listen to what's in it for me, he doesn't want to talk. We say, I've got a Google Ads agency. I'm an award-winning agency. I've got 10,000 people working with me. He says, who cares? What is it for me? What is it for me? So we reposition Sanjeev's positioning on his tagline, on his website, on his Instagram bio, everywhere. He says, hi, I help builders like Sobha Realty, who have 50 to 100 apartments on sale as of now, to be able to sell 20 extra apartments per month with my Google Ads strategy, thereby adding 100 crores extra revenue per month to each of them. Finished. Every builder will understand what you do. Now let's go to Sambhav. Sambhav, again tell us about your positioning again.
मैं इसीलिए बोलूँ गर्मी में जितना पानी
we
पियो
help
सही है,
healthcare
सब खाना
clients
खाओ
to get more leads.
No.
शिकंजी पीने से
If you do something for everybody, you're not doing anything special for me. So what Sambhav is going to say is,
गर्मी में देखती है कि
I
पानी
help
की कमी पहुंच जाता है
hospitals like Max get at least 10
पानी
more
बेशक कितना भी
cancer
पी लेकिन
patients
गर्मी में भी
every single quarter. Every client, that is 5 crores of billing every single quarter. How you know how you test Sanjeet and Sambhav and Akanksha and Roof, you know how you test how your thing is working? If the next question is how, when somebody asks how you do it, that means your 50% proposal is done. I want to know how you're doing it. That means you hit the right chord with me.
आईडी नंबर बता दो।
Or I'll give you one more. Sanjeet can say, Sanjeet goes to somebody who is doing plots. Okay. And he says,
ठीक है।
somebody who's got like 100 plots selling there or whatever. You say, builders borrow at 12% interest. And an average builder has borrowed 500 crores. If you're a builder who borrowed 500 crores and you borrowed at 12%, that means you're paying at least 60 crores a year in interest only, which is 5 crores a month. I help you sell 4 extra apartments every month, get 20 crores loan, and reduce your interest cost 20 lakhs a month. जब वो how पूछेंगे, then you can tell them about your Google ads and everything. You talk about the business that you're worried about. When it comes to Sambhav can say, I help hospitals I have hospitals which have got 100 rooms, a new cancer ward for 200 crores to be able to get 5 crores a quarter in cancer patients from Turkey, from America, from Vietnam, from Cambodia, from all these Asian countries that international people are coming.
लेनी है, ऑनलाइन लेनी है। खत्म हो गया।
Roof, just tell me again.
Getting 60 new student enrollment with the help of fully automated digital system.
Very good. Your positioning is very good. You just need to add one more thing. What is the cost of every single enrollment?
The cost of enrollment and the lead goes all the way up to 200 to 300. And
No. So when you get them the enrollment, what's the value that they sell?
लेके आ रही है दीदी।
they sell for 20,000.
20,000
is
into 60?
It's 12 lakh.
That's what you have to add. Now add it and redo your positioning.
I help language academies like Mentor Academy get 60 new student enrollment and earn 12 lakh extra per month with the help of fully automated digital system.
Perfect. Now you see, guys, all of you people who are listening, can you understand? Isn't this a better positioning? Now, if Akanksha was to, she said music, movie production, ads and everything. Now, these are all things which are, jab aapka agency work is commoditized, then people cannot measure it. Then people can measure it. You need to make a service into a product into a service. What most of you are doing is you're making a service into a product. A product is commoditized. Commoditization is a price war. A price war is a race to the bottom. You cannot do that. You have to do the reverse. So if in case of Akanksha, she would say, for example, if she's creating an ad for a juice company, she will say, I will create 3 ads. Hi, my name is Akanksha. I help juice companies create ads for 3 different target audience and teenagers who are going to school and want healthy nutrition. Create 3 ads, help your ads reach out to 5 lakh extra people in suburban Bombay area, and with 2% closure be able to help you sell 10,000 more juice packets a day, dropping a revenue of 50 lakhs in your pocket. किस टाइप की एड फिल्म्स बनाते हैं? बात करना चाहते हो हमसे जहां हम आपको 50 लाख महीना बना के देते हैं? Then a person is like, कैसे करते हो, क्या करते हो, कैसे करते हो, क्या करते हो? But because many of us as founders, we don't believe कि हमारा जो काम है वो पैसे में ट्रांसलेट होता है, तो हम एक सर्विस कहते हैं, सर ये सर्विस ले लो हमसे, इसको आप जानो आगे कैसे करोगे आप इसको, हम तो आपको करके दे देंगे. No, you must understand how powerful we are. We are giving them money which they don't, which we are their backbone of the industry, we are their partners. Okay, I want all of you people, I'm going to tell you how for all of you people, would all of you 110 people here want your positioning to be redone? Would you like me to teach you how to do your positioning so that you can change it on your website, Instagram, everything? Okay, just wait till the very end. I'll teach you how. I'm going to tell you how we're going to do it. But in the meanwhile, can we all give it up for these 4 founders, Sanjeet, Sambhav, Roof and Akanksha in the comments? Please give some fire and heart emojis in the comments, please. Lovely. Nice to see more people here. Arun, Avnish, Pawan, Neet. Nice to see you guys. Okay, let's keep moving on.
कैसे
That
4?
was secret number 2.
हाँ 14 है।
ये लिमिटिंग बिलीफ होता है, आई लर्न टू सेल इट बेटर,
14 का
आई
टाइम
क्लोज
खत्म हो
मोर,
गया।
my work should
अभी
speak for
यही सब
itself, I
लगी हुई है
serve
करने में।
everyone, why niche down, why have a specific positioning? It's a limiting belief.
3 दिन में काम खत्म कर लेगी ना।
Moment of truth, if you're losing these or
40
constantly
दिन में नहीं
getting
कर
low
रही तो
ball
3 दिन में
inquiries,
खत्म
it's
हो
not
जाएगा।
because your service is weak, it's because your prospects cannot see why you're
मेरे को
different.
ये चीज हुई है देखने में
Without
ना,
clear
मन तो बड़ा
positioning,
फाड़
even
के
the
सारा
best
छोड़ दूंगी।
services sound like commodities. When people cannot remember what you do after 30
अरे समझ
seconds, they
नहीं
will
आ रहा
not pay
देखो।
your premium.
अरे हाँ करूंगी।
Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Mr. Pankaj. You must meet him. He's part of one of our members. So Pankaj completely changed his positioning for the education industry, and he's doing up to 2 crore rupees in revenue. Great guy, good positioning. Now, secret number 3. What was the second secret that we learned? Positioning. What was the first secret that we learned? Time, money, energy audit. Time, energy audit, positioning, and third, we were going towards your business P&L. Why you're growing but you're still broke, right? Ladies and gentlemen, for this to happen, you need to be able to understand your sales. You need to understand your sales, ladies and gentlemen. Your sales will come from a formula. It has to be predictable. If I ask Neet, if I ask Arun Ki, if I ask Mudassir, if I ask Gaurav Mathur, you should be able to tell me next month is about 10 lakhs. उसके आगे 15. But Avi, how do I tell you predictable sales? Sometimes my team member leaves. Sometimes my systems don't work. Sometimes the clients don't come. Sometimes the proposals don't happen. I cannot give you predictable revenues. Sorry to tell you, if you cannot give anybody predictable revenues for the next 6 months, you don't have a business. It's called tukka. Chal gaya to chal gaya. I do not know how to run my business. I'll give you an answer to how to do it. With your right positioning, you create the right ads, understanding the top 3 pain points of the client. If you understand the top 3 pain points, what did I teach these 4 people today? I did not teach them the pain points. I taught them the pain behind the pain. The builder's pain is, I'm not selling apartments. What is the pain behind the pain? 500 करोड़ का लोन है, 600 करोड़ का लोन है, 12% टके पे हर महीने इंटरेस्ट कॉस्ट आ रहा है. That's the pain behind the pain. Akanksha Khanna's person, if she's selling ad film through juice का ad film अगर वो बेच रही हैं, so what is the pain point of the juice maker? 500 करोड़ का प्लांट लगाया जूस का, एड फिल्म नहीं हो रही, यंगस्टर जूस नहीं पी रहे, कंपटीशन का पी रहे, जूस नहीं बिक रहा. ये उनका पेन पॉइंट है. तो पेन बिहाइंड द पेन के ऊपर हम आई विल टीच ऑल ऑफ यू पीपल how to identify the 3 pain behind the pains of the customers, how to create 3 ads for every micro niche, then run the ads on an everyday basis. Minimum budget should be 50,000 rupees a month. Every day you should be getting 3 new leads coming in. You will meet all the 3 people on Zoom Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. You will do 15 calls a week, 60 a month. You do this for a period of the first phase of 4 months, and you close 2.5% of those deals. You close 1.5 deals every month. Better you go up to 3% to 5% closures, which will take you to 2 to 3 deals a month. Every deal is minimum 1 lakh rupees. Every month you should be adding 36 lakh rupee revenue through 3 proposals of 12, 12, 12 coming in through this system. I'm going to teach you how to do the entire system, how to create the pain behind the pain, how to get the query form, how to create your positioning, what to do on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. But unless you learn all of this, your agency is never going to be complete. Because अगर आपको रोज सेल्स नहीं रोज प्रपोजल पे नहीं जा रहे ना यार, अगर बॉलिंग ही नहीं आएगी तो क्या बैटिंग करोगे? रोज रीड तो आनी चाहिए ना, और रीड अपने आप नहीं आती, रीड लानी पड़ती है. By going and putting the right ads out there, by understanding the right customer, by having the right positioning, by having the right pre-trained. Clear? Okay, so that is what is the third problem that we're going to help solve. Limiting problem is my money को मेरे को ट्रैक करने की जरूरत नहीं होती, मेरा CA देखता है, more client आता है तो more profit आता है. I don't know where my money is. I don't track my finances. Moment of truth, unless you track it, you cannot improve it. You need to track every single thing. So ladies and gentlemen, this is the agency P&L. this has to be made 4 months in advance for every single agency founder. It has to be created 4 months in advance so that you can track your revenue, your tools, your ads, your rent, your vendors, your cost, every single thing. So that any decision that you make, you will not make it. The TAF, we will give you the TAF agency money calculator. You will put everything over here. This will calculate for you. You will not calculate. The formulas and the systems and the process to be able to create a 30 to 40% profitable agency is already built into these systems. We will teach you. You will use this system, and that's how you will get your profits. जो डिसीजन आपको ये नहीं देगा AI कैलकुलेटर हमारा, वो डिसीजन आप नहीं दोगे. सिंपल एज दैट. सर मेरे पास एक क्लाइंट आया 50,000 रुपए का, पता है ज्यादा काम नहीं है, मैं कम काम में उसको निपटा दूंगा. डालो इसके अंदर. अभी सर से परमिशन लेने की जरूरत नहीं है. डालो इस सिस्टम के अंदर. उस सिस्टम आपको बताएगा कि इसमें जितना टाइम मनी एनर्जी लगेगा ना इस सिस्टम के अंदर, उसकी वजह से आपका सारा काम हिल जाने वाला है. और अगेन यू विल गो बैक टू 62,500 नहीं मिलेंगे संभव शाह को. 500 वाला काम आप बोलोगे मना करो. This will become your decision making calculator. You understand that? Every big agency works according to a system, and we are creating systems so that the small agencies can do the work of the big agencies. We're going to teach you exactly how to create your entire business plan and P&L. Bhargavi Rathi, who's one of our members, she did this and she did it very well. She's a very educated lady, worked abroad, big companies, and she started her own company in Kota, Rajasthan. And she created 1 crore in 90 days. I'm going to send you all her details after this. Ladies and gentlemen, let's be honest. You've seen the 3 secrets. You know time, money, energy audit, why you're overwhelmed and stuck. Positioning, why you're undercharging and overlooked. And business P&L, why you're growing but still broke. But the question is, will you implement this all on your own?
To the rich agency founders, there is a secret to be a rich agency founder, which is to have the smoothie, to have the rich agency founder smoothie. And the smoothie has many levels, so keep having the smoothie, keep slurping it. Right?
So we've created all our formats into a smoothie format, into small ingredients, and we're going to teach you how to do that. Ladies and gentlemen, what is it that most founders do next? Let's say that you try to do all these systems that I'm teaching you alone. You say, let me run some ads and get some leads. You set up the account, you figure out the targeting, you spend 15,000 a month, you watch videos, test copies, try new hooks, but weeks go by and nothing really works. Up you're down by 45,000, you burnt your time, your team's energy, and your own self-belief. There's no clarity, no results, only confusion. उससे भी बुरी बात यह है कि आपकी टीम starts losing trust और आपको लगता है शायद मैं भी गलत बात करूं. And deep down you wonder, am I even doing anything right? You might be thinking this right now. I don't need more information, Avi. I need direction. You might be thinking this. I'm stuck in delivery. I can't even think about scaling. You might be thinking right now, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, on this beautiful Saturday morning, I'm trying to read your thoughts and tell you, you're saying my revenue is okay, but my profit is damn broken. I have a team, but I am still the bloody bottleneck. I've tried things before, Avi. It's not that I've not tried. I'm working very hard, but I got burned multiple times. Ladies and gentlemen, you don't need more knowledge. You need no more random strategies, no more YouTube deep dives, no more let's try and see this. What you need is a clear roadmap that tells you exactly what to fix, what to focus on, what to ignore, so that you can get real results in 4 months from today. This journey isn't for the comfortable. If you want a life that nobody wants, you want to do what everybody else does not do.
Ask me a question.
And I wanted to tell you, you don't know what you don't know. I want to stop sharing the screen and tell all of the people, if you can just switch on your cameras, I want to tell you something very important before I move ahead. Ladies and gentlemen, we don't, आपको सबको जो पता है ना, whatever information you have, webinars, seminars, books, knowledge, whatever knowledge you have, उसकी basis पे आप अपने पैसे कमा रहे हो, अपना घर चला रहे हो. The amount of knowledge you have is directly proportional to the money that you are making. All the knowledge that you have in the world with which you're running your companies is 1%. What you know is 1%. what you don't know is how much? What you know is 1%. What you think you don't know is 4%. You think these are the things I don't know. If I know these things, I will do it. What you know is 1%. What you think you don't know is 4%. What you don't know is 95%. जो आपको मालूम ही नहीं है कि आपको मालूम ही नहीं है वो 95%. You don't even know what you don't know. That is called ignorance. That's called ignorance. And ignorance का एक tax होता है. Do you know income tax होता है? GST होता है. एक ignorance tax होता है. There's an ignorance tax that all of you people are paying.
Ask me a question that I won't know the answer to. Like, just make something up that I won't know the answer to. And if I don't know the answer, by the way, if he asks me a question and I don't know the answer, I'm going to pay him some amount of money.
What college did I go to?
What college did you go to? Penn State.
Correct.
What college did you go to?
The College of William Mary. Not where I wanted to go.
So, what I was attempting to do was to show you every time life asks you a question that you don't know the answer to, you have to pay an ignorance tax. So, if it's in the area of health, your ignorance tax is paid in the form of medical bills. But when life asks you questions about wealth, when you don't know the answer, it costs you in the area.
If you don't know how to run an agency, you're paying a tax already. Everybody wants growth, but very few people commit. Let's be real. You've invested time to show up here. You felt the pain of being stuck. You've seen what is possible if you go all in. Now my question is, you decide to change the way you run your agency today or later. The next step is not a cost, it's a catalyst. Let's reframe this very well. You're not spending anything, you're just speeding up your results. You're not losing money, you're gaining momentum. You can try to figure everything out alone, or you can collapse your year into a few hours with somebody who's done it. अब मैं आपको जो दिखाने जा रहा हूँ, it is not an expense. It's the investment that gets you to the next level. Are you ready? Just type Y in the comments. Yes, I'm ready. Ladies and gentlemen, we built an exact roadmap that has already helped 177 agency founders grow their revenue, fix their systems, and build agencies that can run without them. I'm going to run you through the exact roadmap. I want to introduce to all of you people the 3-day agency sales challenge, only for agency founders. Are you ready to get steady, high-ticket paying clients? In 3 days, we turn your ideas and proposals into real money. No more ups and downs. I'm going to be doing live coaching with real action steps. There's going to be hands-on work, no boring theory, quick wins that you can see right away, and a community of agency founders who are going to do it together. No more going at it alone. The pain we're solving, most agency founders get stuck. Proposals and leads go cold. Endless scope creep because they're afraid to charge more. और scope बढ़ा दो, और scope बढ़ा दो, और scope बढ़ा दो. Discovery calls, उसके बाद clients vanish हो जाते हैं. We're going to fix all of this in 3 days. What is the outcome that you're going to get in 3 days? Outcome number 1, close the proposals that you've already sent. Ladies and gentlemen, I will invite you to get all your old leads and proposals who said no to you, ghosted you, and I'll help you close those. How would that be? How many people are excited to close the deals that did not close in the past? Just say I in the comments. Now, I'll help you lead the conversation like an expert. You will hold the meeting. I'll help you turn the words maybe into yes in your meetings. Number 2, I will help you get bigger retainers. I'll show you how to tell the client that you are worth more money, no more discounts. I'll help you create packages that justify premium fees. And we'll make clients to see you as an investment. And number 3, we're going to stop having no-shows. I will help you build reminders, confirmations that work, and use assets that warm up the leads before you meet, and create an agency so that your clients are happy and excited to meet you. This is the sales framework I'm going to teach you. S, the show up system. Get 90% of your calls to actually happen. No more ghosting. Authority positioning. Become the trusted expert so clients don't haggle on price. Lead revival. Bring back old leads and turn the later into let's start now. Elevate retainers. I'm going to help you create packages and pricing which are going to double your take home. Finally, I'm going to teach you the sales mastery. Learn to handle objections, close deals, and keep money flowing for months. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the 3-day challenge. Day 1, I'm going to do the sales foundation fix. जैसे आज मैंने आप लोगों को टाइम ऑडिट करवाया ना, you will come with your co-founder and your entire team. Guys, this is an invitation for the entire team. You will all come. We'll teach you how to do the time, money, energy audit. किस आदमी ने एजेंसी में क्या काम करना है, किसका क्या QRA है, किसके क्या माइक्रो नीश है, सब कुछ बताएंगे. उसके बाद क्लियर योर कस्टमर एवेटार. कौन से कस्टमर्स को आपने ऐड चलाने हैं, किसके साथ काम करना है, किसके साथ नहीं करना. एंड फाइनली द नो मोर नो शो सिस्टम टू मेक श्योर एवरी मीटिंग हैपेंस. Day 2, then I'll give you some homework to do. Day 2, we will meet again and I'll teach you how to create premium positioning for and higher retainer framework. I'll teach you how to create your business framework, business P&L. So you're growing and you grow with profits. Authority positioning so that you show up as an expert. And I'm going to show you my 3x3x3 proposal framework which will help you close premium clients. अच्छा, फिर हम आपको होमवर्क देंगे, फिर डे 3 पे मिलेंगे. We are going to close like a pro. We're going to plan your client's money map. You will get your exact proposal जो आपने क्लाइंट को भेजना है. आप हमारे सामने लाइव प्रपोजल बनाएंगे, हम आपकी मदद करेंगे और एक एक प्रपोजल आप हमारे सामने भेजेंगे. Next, objection handling and follow-up mastery. And finally, I'm going to leave you when you go at the end of 3 days. I'm going to give you a clear roadmap for the next 4 months. Which calls to make, which emails to send, what ads to do. 4 months, आपका और आपकी टीम का exact plan बनेगा. Print out करके अपने सामने लगाना and run your agency for 4 months. मेरा challenge is only for agency founders. It's different because it's live coaching, no boring lectures. Real steps. Community of people, all of you people, agency founders are going to work together and you're going to start winning. ये कोई ऐसा नहीं है 3 दिन बाद करके आप उसके घर लेके जाओगे. आप 3 दिन में अपनी एजेंसी का ही proposals बना के भेजोगे. It's about getting paid. Listen, it's not about doing more work. It's about getting paid for what you already do, my dear friends. Date of the challenge is 27th, 28th and 29th. Are you all ready? Are these dates acceptable to you? Are you free? Can you please mark your calendars, all of you people? सबके पास phone वगैरह होगा. Please mark your calendars to mark these dates. How many people are excited about these 3 days? You're allowed to get your co-founders, your teammates, every single person. Every person can get at least 5 members per team. All of you will come and we'll teach them from beginning to end. SOP, KRA, how to send proposal, team, everything we're going to teach you in 3 days. But it's going to be intense. You cannot be doing it on your phone. You cannot be doing it with other family commitments happening. This is real work. How many people are excited to be able to say, finally, there is a program in India which is teaching you how to run your agency. Okay. So guys, this is it. So who is it for? This is for people who are tired of going nowhere, sick of lowering the prices to close a deal, ready to feel in control of your agency's money and growth. If this sounds like you, this is your launch time. In the 3 days, you're getting a sales foundation fix, premium positioning and high retainer framework, and you close like a pro. I'm also going to give you a bonus. The first 10 people who register for this 3 days are going to get a personal one-on-one session with me, which I do for 60,000 rupees. You can book it on my website for 60,000 rupees anytime. It's going to be a one-on-one session with me where I do mentorship with you and your team for your agency. I'm going to give you a direct plan on your agency and personalized 120-day business plan. Instead of 40 days, it's going to be 120 days when you talk to me. This bonus session is included. Bonus number 2 is complete agency growth template vault. one-click access to all the proven templates that I use in my agency. You'll get all of that. आपको सारी recordings का access मिलेगा, and also you'll get a private challenge community. मेरी एक private challenge community है, and you'll get access to that. This is a bonus which is only for the first 10 registrants. Okay. Investment, ladies and gentlemen, for the 3-day events and all the bonuses, everything is 25,000 plus GST for all of you people. Obviously, there's limited availability because मैं आपकी teams को भी बुला रहा हूँ. मैं सबको एक साथ नहीं train कर पाऊँगा. Approximately 30 seats is what we are taking for the challenge. Last week we did a webinar. We closed about 15. This week,
बहुत सारे लोग मेरे से पूछते हैं,
depending on how many we are closing, we're going to be able to close the session around 30-35.
बहुत सारे लोग मेरे से पूछते हैं कि मेरे मेंटोर कौन है, तो वो आप हो, है ना? कि शुरू से ही आपने मेरे से बोला था मेरे वीडियोस बनाते जाओ, और मैं बनाता गया, रिजल्ट है आज. सेम चीज़ मैंने आपके फुट स्टेप बिल्कुल फॉलो करे. आप पहले होटल्स जाते थे बड़े, राइट, आपकी वीडियोस आती थी. मैंने कहा आई जस्ट वांटेड टू डू द सेम थिंग. मैंने वो चीज़ करनी स्टार्ट.
देखा आपका वो वीडियो जब गए थे होटल्स में,
और जिसकी अभी आपके पास मार्केटिंग है, उस होटल का भी है.
राइट,
है ना? तो वहाँ पे भी गया मैंने आपको बहुत फॉलो करा. मतलब एक कोच होना आपके लर्निंग कर्व को बहुत कम कर देता है.
राइट.
Ladies and gentlemen, two very important life lessons before we move to the Q&A.
How many times have you told yourself, I'm going to hold off from taking action until everything is lined up perfectly? Or I'm going to wait until the timing feels right? You see, excellence doesn't wait for perfection. It rewards action. It's not about feeling 100% ready, because guess what? That never comes. It's about leaning in, moving forward, taking steps, and knowing that you can pivot and iterate as you go. Make that calculated move, because progress beats perfection every single time.
I love this.
Everyone wants to be great, but no one finishes anything. Everyone wants to be level 10, so they pick a level 10 project, then burn out halfway through and give up. 10 years later, they've tried 20 times and gotten nowhere, because growth is a loop. Want something, do something, get a result. Each result teaches you to want better things, but you have to complete the loop to become someone new. This is why teachers tell you to finish what you started. No results, no growth. The problem is that people pick loops that they can't complete. They want the level 10 reward without realizing that they're level 2. So they bite off a project that takes years when they haven't completed anything that takes 2 weeks, which is self-sabotage disguised as ambition. You level up in video games by doing the small quests. You level up in life by completing small accomplishments.
Perfect, I love that. Ladies and gentlemen, before we come to Q&A, I wanted all of you people to understand, did you like that last thing that this gentleman said? We always look for results, but we don't finish what we start. We do a little bit of everything. 10 webinar कर लेंगे, 10 email कर लेंगे, 10 short course कर लेंगे, 10 किताब छोटी-छोटी पढ़ लेंगे. किसी भी एक चीज को खत्म नहीं करते. ज़्यादातर ये होता है. How many people agree that we need to finish what we start? Yes or yes? Okay. So, how many people are excited about the 3-day event? Just type E in the comments. E is enough for me to know that the excitement is happening. And if you want the link for the first 10 registrations, just type link and my team will send you a link over there. I'm going to start with the Q&A for all of you people here as well. Guys, I want you to remember a few names. Okay. Abhishek Suryavanshi, Gagan Singh, and Vikram. These are 3 people who are in my team. They will be calling you after the webinar. If your link is not working when you registered for the 3-day event, all the bonuses that you want and everything, these 3 people will call you. So don't, because there are a lot of scam that happens on webinars also. Other people can call you. Only 3 people are allowed to call you from my team. One is Abhishek, other is Gagan, and third is Vikram, right? So they will call from our phone number, from our IDs and everything. So you can speak to them about the program and the webinar and everything. It's a 3-day event, and I would like all of you people to attend. How many people are actually seriously considering saying that जो आज सीखा था ना, इसको मैं अपनी एजेंसी के कॉन्टेक्स्ट में निकाल के अपने प्रपोजल, अपने सिस्टम, I want to completely go through the whole system in 3 days. How many people are actually making up their mind to come for this event? Just let me know in the comments before I go ahead. We have another 1 minute before we start the Q&A. Okay, lovely. Okay, Pavan, Neet, Raju. Okay, so guys, can you just put the link to the 3-day event? There are some people who are looking for it, my team members. You can put in the link, yes. And all of you people, you have the details of the WhatsApp group. You can drop in your numbers and everything, and my team will start calling you after this, and we start collecting the reservations for the 3-day event. Okay, now it is time for, we're going to take 10 questions. The timing, Sunil Kumar, for the session are going to be, if you, let's do the Q&A first for the 3-day session, what is going to be included. It's going to start at 11 and it's going to be about 3 hours, 3 to 4 hours every day for 3 days. Any other question that you have around the 3-day event? So yeah, team is asking for a link. The first 10 registration get all the bonuses. So team, if you can start putting in the links. There we go. The team has put in the link, the 3-day agency challenge link. It is all online, my dears. It's all online. So the link has been posted. The first 10 people get the extra bonus, which is to be able to work one-on-one with me after the call for one session, after the 3-day event. Any other questions, you can let me know in the comments. Any other questions regarding the... Yes, Deepak, right? 25,000 plus GST. GST is included in every transaction in the country. So that's a no-brainer. Ashutosh, no problem. You can book a call with a team member. Somebody will call you and they'll explain to you. Okay. So guys, the first 10 slots are going to go. So you can call the team, you can speak to the team, but the first 10 slots where you get one-on-one session with me, जब तक आप टीम से बात करोगे वो slots चले गए होंगे. So if you have any question, you can ask me now. And anybody who has a question, you can put it in the comments, raise your hand, and my colleague, Mr. Parth, will get you on the screen, unmute you, and we will do a Q&A.
मैं ना मिनी छवि परसों आ रहा मेरे को पूरा टेबल कागज कटर पेन ये वो.
Okay, who's the first person who's coming online? Okay, we're going to get Mr. Ashutosh Sharma. Ashutosh says, I have a question. Ashutosh, please switch on your camera and ask your question.
Hey, Avi.
Hi, Ashutosh.
How are you?
I'm well. How are you?
Actually, मैं हिंदी में कन्वर्सेशन कर लूँ, कोई इशू तो नहीं?
बिल्कुल भी इशू नहीं है और भी अच्छी बात है.
एक्चुअली बात क्या है कि मैंने 2019 में एजेंसी स्टार्ट की थी इनोवाइडियाज के साथ. अनफॉर्चुनेटली कुछ टाइम बाद में मेरे को ये बंद करनी पड़ी थी क्योंकि मेरी ही कुछ गलतियां आज मैंने वो देख लिया है.
Thank you for being so honest. Yes.
नहीं, जो चीज़ मेरी गलती है वो उसको एक्सेप्ट करने में
बहुत बढ़िया.
बट जब ये चीज़ें देख ली हैं, कुछ चीज़ें ऑब्जर्व भी करी हैं, अब मेंटरशिप की बात आई है तो मैं खुलकर ही बात करना चाहूँगा. हुआ ये था कि मैंने स्टार्टिंग की थी डिज़ाइनिंग फील्ड से, नीश से, बट अनफॉर्चुनेटली जो मेरे क्लाइंट्स थे उनको मुझसे थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा ही एक्सपेक्टेशन, जैसा आपने भी बताया सेशन में, क्लाइंट्स को हमेशा कुछ ना कुछ एक्स्ट्रा चाहिए होता है. उनको जब एक्स्ट्रा चाहिए था तो मैंने भी कुछ करना शुरू करा अपने आप को, कुछ एक्स्ट्रा प्रोवाइड करना शुरू ऑन द सेम. मैंने उनको अपने नीश से अलग भी चीजें प्रोवाइड करनी शुरू. अब जो मेरा विजन था डिजाइनिंग और प्रिंटिंग का, वो ऑटोमेटिकली स्टार्ट टू एंड जितनी भी सर्विसेज होती हैं ना, वो सारी की सारी ही इनबिल्ट हो. आज के टाइम पर मैं रजिस्ट्रेशन भी प्रोवाइड करवा देता हूँ, आज के टाइम पर मैं भी प्रोवाइड करा दूँ. अब वो एक पर्टिकुलर नीश नहीं रहा है, वो सब कुछ होता है. डिजाइनिंग डिजाइनिंग एंड प्रिंटिंग की एजेंसी को मैं कंप्लीटली कह सकता हूँ कि आज के टाइम पर आप मुझसे अगर एसी भी मांगोगे ना कि मुझे एयर कंडीशन चाहिए अपने कमरे में, तो वो भी बट प्रॉब्लम ये है कि मैं उसको एग्जैक्टली कंफिगर नहीं कर पा रहा हूँ कि अब मैं पर्टिकुलरली माइक्रो हीटर कैसे लेकर आऊँ, क्योंकि सारे क्लाइंट्स को पता है कि कुछ भी मांग लो। आशुतोष इसका वन मैन आर्मी, सर ने कुछ भी मांगा है वो लाकर दे देगा, वो उसको बोल दिया है वो डन।
Ashutosh is the lowest. Basically, you're saying Ashutosh is the lowest paid person in the ladder. जिसको कुछ भी बोलो वो ले आएगा, उसकी कोई वैल्यू नहीं है, उसको कमोडिटी है, इट्स कमोडिटाइज्ड, राइट? और अगर आशुतोष ने 2 दिन काम करने से मना कर या वो किसी और से वो काम ले लेंगे तो वो स्पेशलिटी भी नहीं है।
एग्जैक्टली। अब या तो मैं उनको वो फिल करके दे रहा हूँ तो कोई इशू नहीं है, सारी सर्विसेज उनको प्रोवाइड करता हूँ, बट जहाँ पर भी मैंने लैग किया कहीं ना कहीं फिर मैं इनकंसिस्टेंसी।
व्हाट हैपेंस इज गाइस, आप लोग सब सुनो क्योंकि हम सबके लिए होता है। जैसे आशुतोष ने बहुत बार बोला कि मेरे सारे क्लाइंट्स सारे दुनिया भर के क्या सारे क्लाइंट्स आशुतोष के पास आते हैं, एक छोटी सी क्लाइंट की एजेंसी उन्होंने बनाई है और इन्हें लगता है कि इस दायरे के बाहर कोई नहीं है। ये गलती हम सब करते हैं। We need to stop working with these clients, and that's why I say I'm a big supporter of ads. With ads, I am able to go to a new world of new clients who don't think like this, who are looking for agencies who will charge more money and get bigger results. ये हमें जो दिखता है वो हमारी दुनिया होती है, जहाँ हम रहते हैं, जहाँ हम ऑफिस जाते हैं और जो हमारे क्लाइंट्स होते हैं, हमें लगता है वही सारी दुनिया है। वही मैं 3 डे वेबिनार में आपका मिथ ब्रेक करके आपको नई दुनिया में ले जाना चाहता हूँ सबको, टू से दैट वी कैन गो एंड स्टार्ट फिशिंग एनीवेयर वी वांट टू। वी डोंट नीड इंटरनेट का मतलब, कोविड का मैं आपको एक एग्जांपल देता हूँ आशुतोष। कोविड में एक हमारे पास आए थे, एक टाइम उस टाइम ट्रैवल एजेंट आए थे हमारे पास कोविड के बाद, और कोविड खत्म होना शुरू हुआ था लेकिन इंडिया में अभी चल रहा था। तो उन्होंने मेरे से पूछा अभी कोविड तो इंडिया में खत्म नहीं हुआ है तो मेरी एजेंसी कैसे चलेगी? मैंने कहा आप क्या करते हो? कहते हैं ट्रैवल। तो मैंने कहा सर आपको कौन रोक रहा है कि ऑस्ट्रेलियंस को अफ्रीकन सफारी बेचने से या कनेडियंस को यूरोपियन टूर बेचने से? हेलो, देयर इज अ गुड न्यूज कॉल्ड द इंटरनेट, वो बहुत साल पहले आ गया था। आप कहीं का भी काम कहीं बेच सकते हो। तो जो क्लाइंट्स के साथ अभी आप काम कर रहे हो, यू कैन गेट आउट ऑफ दिस स्मॉल पॉन्ड एंड गो टू अ बिगर पॉन्ड ऑफ द क्लाइंट्स हु हैव
इसको शाम को डॉक्टर को दिखाना पड़ेगा।
the ability to pay more money.
मतलब आप ये सजेस्ट कर रहे हो कि मैं अपने इस कंसिस्टेंट क्लाइंट्स को जो मेरे रेगुलरली चल रहे हैं, इनसे थोड़ा सा नए क्लाइंट्स को
नहीं, मैं बिल्कुल भी ऐसा सजेस्ट नहीं कर रहा हूँ, मैं फोर्स कर रहा हूँ आपको सब कुछ। मैं आपको रिक्वेस्ट और स्लैश डिमांड कर रहा हूँ आपसे कि जो आपकी आवाज में जो मुझे दर्द सुनाई दे रहा है ना, वो दर्द को हटाने की मैं कोशिश कर रहा हूँ।
क्या करेगी?
नहीं है, प्लीज, ये क्लाइंट्स नहीं है, ये क्लाइंट्स नहीं है सर, ये आपका फायदा उठाने, लो पेइंग, लेट पेइंग, टॉक्सिक क्लाइंट, इनको कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा अगर 1 हफ्ते के बाद आप गायब हो जाओगे। See what happens is, as human beings, guys, please listen to this very carefully. What happens as human beings is हमारी आइडेंटिटी रैप अप हो जाती है, हमारी आइडेंटिटी रैप अप हो जाती है हमारी एजेंसी। यार ये मेरे क्लाइंट्स है, ये मेरा नाम है, जहाँ से आपको नाम, काम और दाम मिलता है ना, वहाँ से हमारी आइडेंटिटी बन जाती है। 10 क्लाइंट है, ये मेरे को पूछते हैं, मेरे को वाह करते हैं, ये खत्म हो जाएंगे तो मेरा वजूद खत्म हो जाएगा। If your business is not giving you top profits, your business is not working the end। बाकी सारी चीजें
अनफॉर्चुनेटली मुझे एक चीज कहनी पड़ेगी कि मुझे प्रॉफिट हर बार मिला है, तो मैं इसलिए इसको रोक नहीं पाया अपने आप को।
नहीं, प्रॉफिट मेरे कहने का मतलब है टाइम, मनी, एनर्जी के हिसाब से जो हर आदमी को जो मिलना चाहिए पर आवर कॉस्ट अपना जो है वो प्रॉफिट तो एक रिलेटिव टर्म। ओके आशुतोष, ओके, नेक्स्ट वी आर गोइंग टू गो टू Neeth has got his hand raised up and Neeth is already paid the amount for 3 days as well. Fast action taker. Guys, can you give a big fire emoji for Neeth? Neeth is what? Neeth is what? Neeth is like Niti. This is a policy.
It's just Neeth. It's just Neeth. How are you doing?
Neeth, okay. It's not Shubh Neeth or Rab Neeth or something. Just Neeth.
It's Neeth Perwan. Brilliant session. I really loved what you said. And as an agency, so I run a podcast production company, end-to-end podcast production company. You showed Raj Shamani. I am based here in the UAE. Raj Shamani is one of our clients. We have short produced podcasts for him here. We have short produced podcasts for Beer Biceps or Neer Alabadi also here from the UAE. In fact, we work with multiple organizations, both governmental and other founders, to help them with their podcast show. And we really have never explored ads. And I'm so glad that you spoke about ads. It's all been word of mouth, right? And the thing about word of mouth is it's never consistent. It's a bonus, but the thing about what you said, it's a right thing. It's like I'm not able to have a predictable revenue model. And this particular week, me and my team were brainstorming, and we want to run ads. So that session, and that's why I immediately took the action. Is it possible, Avi, if we can schedule our if I'm one of the 10, can we schedule it this week, because we're looking to do paid ads this particular week? If we want to go live with it, if we and we can interact, that would be amazing.
I will let you know. First thing is right now, it's right now 1 o'clock in the night here in Vancouver. But tomorrow or day after, I'll let you know how the schedule is going. But I'll definitely help you out. Not to worry. Tell me what is it that tell me a little bit more about what you guys do.
So it's an end-to-end podcast production company. We cater to founders, top CEOs, help them launch their own brands online, right? Like in the form of podcasts. Even we produce podcasts for government agencies over here. Kind of bring a more human element to the brand, kind of humanize the brand from their side via podcast. We are a podcast first company.
Lovely. So फिर मेरे को एक ट्रिप बनाना पड़ेगा आपके पास दुबई.
Absolutely, you're welcome. Whenever you're here, would love to connect with you.
Awesome. Perfect. Thank you. I'll definitely get back to you by tomorrow morning, and my team is going to call you at the end of this.
One more question I had, for the meeting which we are doing on 27, 28, and 29, what are the timings that we are looking at? Like what?
Same time as today. So it's going to be 11 to about 2:33. 3 to 4 hours.
Okay. And who are the team members from me? We are a team of 10. I have video editors. I have
you can feel free to get everybody, because the thing is, it's difficult for the founder to understand what I'm teaching and then go and teach the team again. So if 10 people, to get 10 people, I'm more than happy to have as many people in the webinar as possible.
That'll be so much. It's been a pleasure.
Thank you. Same here. Thank you. Yes, Mr. Next I'm going to go for Rahul, and I'm going to go to Roof. Yes, Rahul. Please unmute Rahul. Rahul, on screen के ऊपर there's a beautiful, nice ice cream cup with blueberries, which I'm seeing 10 days after I've started a very strict diet with my trainer. Not right, Rahul. Not right. Okay, still Rahul comes. Roof, over to you.
सर मेरा जो अभी इशू है, मैं लैंग्वेज एकेडमीज़ के साथ काम कर रहा हूँ, और मैंने अभी जब कुछ लैंग्वेज एकेडमीज़ के साथ काम कर रहा था, तो मैंने एक टाई अप करा था एडवर्टाइजमेंट बंदे के साथ. तो should I continue?
Yeah, Rahul, you come after this, please.
At that time, sir, we closed around 67 students in 3 months. तो वो वैल्यू बेस्ड पूरा गया था जब हम वेबसाइट और जो डिजिटल सिस्टम मैं पूरा बना रहा था, और वो एडवर्टाइजमेंट का पूरा काम था. नाउ द टाई अप इज़ गॉन. तो अब जो मेरे पास इशू आ रहा है, अब मैं किसी और से टाई अप करना चाह रहा हूँ, तो वहाँ पर मुझे ट्रस्ट नहीं बन पा रहा है कि अगर मैं किसी को प्रॉमिस करता हूँ कि लाइक अगर मैं 60 स्टूडेंट्स को क्लोज कर पाता हूँ, क्योंकि वो जो टाई अप था तब वो लग रहा था, मुझे कॉन्फिडेंस था कि हाँ ठीक है, हम एक अच्छे नंबर पर हम जा सकते हैं. नाउ आई एम नॉट फीलिंग दैट कॉन्फिडेंस. एंड अभी मैं ऑर्गेनिक लीड्स और जो आपने बताया था कि वीडियो भेजने के लिए लूम वाले, वो अभी मैं जितना ज़्यादा भेज पा रहा हूँ उससे मुझे रिजल्ट आ रहा है, बट आई एम अनएबल टू सेल. ज़्यादा हाई टिकट में नहीं जा पा रहा. इट इज़ स्टक अराउंड 40-50.
आप यार एक काम करना, लाइक आई वुड सजेस्ट दैट यू गेट योर प्रपोजल्स जो आपके नहीं चल रहे हैं, प्रपोजल जो पे हो गए ना, बस अपनी जो कॉल्स की जो ट्रांसक्रिप्ट है, गाइस, ऑल ऑफ यू पीपल हु आर जॉइनिंग द 27, 28 एंड 29, अपने कॉल्स की जो ट्रांसक्रिप्ट होगी ना, आपका जूम कॉल्स की ट्रांसक्रिप्ट, और हाउ मेनी पीपल हैव द जूम कॉल ट्रांसक्रिप्ट ऑफ योर लास्ट 4 कॉल? ऑल ऑफ यू पीपल जूम की रिकॉर्डिंग होगी आप लोगों के पास, उसका ट्रांसक्रिप्ट निकाल सकते हो इन द कमेंट्स, प्लीज लेट मी नो। So I want all of you people to get the transcript to the 3-day webinar so that हम आपको अपने टूल के थ्रू, we have a tool and I'm going to teach you कि आपके प्रपोजल में क्या गलत है और आप उसको कैसे ठीक कर सकते हो right there and there। क्योंकि अभी आपका प्रपोजल नहीं है मेरे पास, अभी I will not be able to teach you about the proposal, but on the 27th, 28th, 29th, उससे पहले you get all your sales proposals. Guys, all of you people get your sales proposals and I'm going to teach you how to completely change your sales proposals that goes from low ticket to high ticket. ठीक है, और अगर आप 67 डील्स क्लोज कर रहे हो इसका मतलब टाइम आ गया थोड़ा फीस बढ़ा।
सर मुझे सीखना चाहिए एडवर्टाइजमेंट जस्ट टू गेट कॉन्फिडेंस। अगर मैं किसी और को हायर करूं तो मेरे पास एक बेसिक स्ट्रक्चर होना चाहिए।
ऑफ कोर्स नहीं, आपको प्रॉपर एसओपी सिस्टम बना के मिलेगा, वीडियोस भी होंगे और वेबिनार की रिकॉर्डिंग भी होगी, तो आप कल को किसी को हायर भी करोगे तो यू कैन गेट दिस टेम्पलेट टू फॉलो। और अगर आपने ऑलरेडी किसी को हायर कर लिया तो आप उनको भी वेबिनार पे ले आए। थैंक यू राहुल। ओके सूरज, थैंक यू रूफ। फर्स्ट राहुल एंड देन सूरज।
Good afternoon, Mr. Ravi Arya. Rahul Tatuskar user calling from Crux Communications, a Pune-based marketing communication agency. Doing business since last 25 to 30 years. So actually we oriented from a very what you can say orthodox print communication agency. When digital was not there, we were completely into conventional advertising, newspaper ads and everything. Slowly transformed to digital, but not completely. Most of our clientele are shared between the B2B and B2C. Industrial zone and near to Mumbai and all that, the B2B requirement is really killed. But really not sure, because see, B2C is such a market where out of 10 opportunities, at least you expect something around 4 to 5 to get converted.
Oh wow, 50%, ये तो मैंने कहीं नहीं सुना, किसने बोला आपको?
See, 50% इसका रीजन बहुत सिंपल है, वो रॉन्ग है बट सही है।
अच्छा ये कैसे होता है बताओ?
See, one of my clients had explained me something around 15 years back. He told me that Rahul, when your opportunities are very less, the number of closures becomes higher, percentage becomes higher. When you are tapping to 1,000 clients, and if out of those, if hundreds are getting converted, then your conversion rate is 10%. But if you are really aiming somebody through the contacts, the probability of leads, I mean, getting converted to higher, then your rate is higher. So my question is that, is it the right time for the agency, the business agency? जब हम agency business चालू किया था, तब agency, as Abhishek has told, agency is all about everything, B2B and services. From that, we are seeing now the shift towards the more and more of the specialization point, more and more the funnel is getting more pointer. Is it really that an agency should focus on one particular pointer of revenue or particularly the focus area and try to grow? What is your experience? How I would like to know about your experience, frankly speaking.
देखिए हमने तो 15 साल से सिर्फ एक ही इंडस्ट्री में काम किया, वो है होटल्स। So we are very happy with one niche. उसी में आप एक्सपर्ट बनते हो, आपकी एडवर्टाइजिंग कॉस्ट भी कम हो जाता है, सेल्स साइकिल भी छोटा हो जाता है, टीम भी आती है तो आपको पता होता है क्या प्रोसेस फॉलो करना है, कुछ नया नहीं सिखाना होता बार बार। सो हमारे को तो माइक्रो नीश ही सूट करती है एंड बट इसका ये मतलब नहीं है कि आप सिर्फ माइक्रो नीश एजेंसी बना के चलो। माइक्रो नीश मीन्स वन प्रोसेस, वन सिस्टम, 1 करोड़ रुपए का बिजनेस पर मंथ। जब आपका 1 करोड़ का बिजनेस हो जाएगा, अगर वो 2 करोड़ तक जा सकता है तो कंटिन्यू कीजिए, नहीं जा सकता तो एक और नीश खोल लीजिए, फिर तीसरी खोल लीजिए, 1-1 करोड़ की 3-4 नीश खोल के 4-5 करोड़ की मंथली एजेंसी बना लीजिए। बट डोंट 15-20 लाख की एजेंसी बनाई फिर दूसरी नीश में चले गए, फिर 15, उसका कोई फायदा नहीं।
But as far as client cycle is concerned, when you are focused towards one niche, then you need to be ready for a longer duration of time to get settled and get mastered in that particular niche.
ऐसी कोई बात नहीं, इनफैक्ट इट्स फास्टर. अगर आप रोज एक ही काम करोगे तो उसमें बेटर बनोगे एंड आप वेट टाइम लगेगा,
जल्दी हो गया.
Exactly. Right. Thank you, Rahul. Please give it up for Rahul, guys. Okay, Mr. Suraj. Why does this session happen? Does this session happen monthly? Family commitment. Because ये भी family commitment है. हम लोग शुरू में हमने प्लेज अपनी फैमिली के लिए लिया था. सबसे पहले दुकान, उसके बाद मकान. Once you take care of your business, you can take care of your family through the business. That's what I believe. Totally up to you. सूरज को unmute कीजिए, सूरज सिंह को. सूरज, मुझे आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही, आपका इंटरनेट चल नहीं रहा मेरे को. माय डियर.
हेलो.
हाँ जी, बताइए. नहीं, I can't hear you at all. Suraj, you'll have to fix your internet and come back to me.
Hello.
No, Suraj, you're not audible at all. Okay, anybody else who has questions? Ekta Solanki. Can you just talk to Ekta, please? Suraj, maybe you'll have to log in from your phone and call us back. Ekta Solanki. Anybody else has any questions, guys? We're taking 5 more questions. Okay. Ekta Solanki, I can't hear you. Just doing digital marketing course. Can we handle team? I don't understand. आपके पास डिजिटल मार्केटिंग एजेंसी का कोर्स कर रहे हो, यू आर ब्रांड न्यू इन इट, आपने टीम नहीं किया. आई वुड नॉट सजेस्ट ओपनिंग एन एजेंसी राइट नाउ. आपको सबसे पहले किसी कंपनी में काम करना चाहिए, 3-4 साल कुछ सीखना चाहिए, तब जाके अपनी एजेंसी खोलनी चाहिए. ओके, एनीबडी एल्स? पवन चौधरी. पवन, ओवर टू यू. प्लीज अनम्यूट पवन.
Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Hi Avisa. Firstly, great session, great inputs. We are, I think, interacting second time. I was part of your another session as well. So I would like to understand. So as far as the business is concerned, I've completed 9 years, and pretty much the processes are set. What do you say? The core of the operations is kind of set, but the sales, yes. What you did say. It does not have a proper system. As a result, there's no predictable revenue. So there are monthly retainers, there are like one-timers, etc. But the niche and going all out in one particular segment, that is something that I have been thinking for the last 2 years, and not able to kind of find a base on it. Like not tried actually, no action. Like thought बहुत गया है, but action नहीं हुआ है. So I would like to understand, like for this session of 3 days that we have, what does it have for the starters and the experienced ones? Like, is there a differentiation, or is it like for all? Like, just wanted to get
good question, very good question. See, Praveen, the thing is, जो गलती कर रहे हैं ना, वो स्टार्टर भी वही वाली गलती कर रहे हैं. पवन, पुराने लोग भी वही गलती कर रहे हैं. Because see, agency world, पहले क्या होता था, every year we used to change our SOPs, system processes. Then we started changing every 6 months. Now with AI coming, every month we're changing our processes and systems. So we have 177 agency founders who are working with us. तो हम सब लोगों से learn करते हैं, हमारी tools और मेरी अपनी coaching is evolving every month. So there is nothing called जो पुराना और नया, क्योंकि सब कुछ तो नया हो गया. मतलब अब AI के आने के बाद हम सब लोग सेम लेवल पे हैं. So it's not कि कोई पुराना था तो उसको ज्यादा आता है. 1 साल पहले आप बोल सकते थे यार उसका प्रोसेस बेटर है, उसका सिस्टम बेटर है, तो सब कुछ नई तरीके से नई सिरे से शुरू हो रहा है. So a client is expecting, when you go on a proposal, a client is expecting you to be a PwC, Deloitte, KPMG and have a business consulting background and then have digital as a support solution.
Definitely.
If you lead with digital, you will think, "यार मुझे नहीं बात करनी है." I want to talk to people who understand my business. That is what I want to teach in the 3-day program on how to create the money map for different industries. Real estate, pharmaceutical, retail, hospitality, hospitals. How do you make sure that when you're talking to a CEO or CMO of a company, in 20 minutes you're able to tell him that I need a 5 lakh rupee retainer. Today, people are happy to give 5 lakh rupee retainers to small companies like us versus 50 lakh rupees to PwC, KPMG. That is the main beast gap that all of us have to level up and capture. For that, we have to learn what these companies know.
Very well. Very well.
So that's it.
Great. Thank you, Avisa, for this. And I am interested in the session. It's just the clash of dates. I'll speak with Gagan, I guess, and I'll see what can be done.
Lovely. Guys, can you please give a fire emoji to Pawan? उन्होंने second उन्होंने बोला दूसरी बार आए. I love it. जब hunger to learn, people will always rise. Okay, who's next? Sparsh. Sparsh, can you please come? Sparsh, 1 minute. Pradeep, Sparsh, anybody who wants to ask a question can unmute themselves, then come. And guys, हमारा session खत्म होने वाला है, so I want all of you people to switch on your camera so we can take a nice selfie. और जो लोग last तक रुके हैं और जिनका camera on है, I'm going to give you all the templates जो मैंने आपको शुरू में promise किया था. So please, we're going to take a nice selfie and then give you all the information. Sparsh को unmute कीजिए. Sparsh is waiting.
Hi Avisa, how are you?
I'm well, how are you?
All good, thank you. So, I used to, just a little bit of background about me. I'm on this session for the second time. I discussed this last time as well. I think it wasn't with you, it was with someone else, right? So, I used to have an agency back in before COVID, right? But after COVID, a couple of clients dropped out, and it was a very small, venture. We just started out, me and my team, right? So after COVID, a couple of clients dropped out, and we didn't actually know how to pivot according to the situation, right? So we closed shop, and in the past 6 months, we have started back up again, right? So there are a couple of challenges. First of all, identifying a niche, right? I understand the importance of having a micro niche, right? I have expert in fintech and edtech primarily, right? So I want to make that into my niche. So the current problem is to get regular clients, right, and to build repeatable frameworks. The client part can be solved by changing the messaging towards fintech and edtech clients, and being hyper focused towards the niche and ads. So that part I can solve. But the problem is building repeatable frameworks for onboarding and the sales frameworks and everything. So that my time is not completely involved in these things, so I can focus on growth part as well. So how can I do that?
Guys, so the answer is in 2 parts. One is obviously we're going to teach you the process and system on how to create SOPs using AI for your niche in the 3-day event. But uske alawa, the thing is you have to think that you don't have to learn it. You have to find somebody who's going to learn this and do it.
Yeah.
Because you can't do everything, and you don't need to do everything. You're the coach, you're not the captain. You have to do the who, not how. Who can I hire? We guys, by the way, we're going to also teach all of you people how to hire the right people. What are the interviews? There are 14 positions in an agency, SEO, social media, paid ads, project manager, everything. I'm going to teach you, and I'm going to give you templates on who to hire, how to hire, what are the interview questions to take, and how to grade. It's exactly the way I grade. So you can grade 8 on 10 hoga to usko hire karna, nahi to mat karna. All of that I'm going to teach you. But the thing is, this is not for the founder to learn. I want you to get us somebody with an operations head to be able to do this, Sparsh.
Right.
If you can solve the first part and you're doing the second section, you're definitely a learner. Definitely understand the template so that nobody takes you for a ride. As a CEO, you need to know everything. But I don't want you to take this as your major KRA to solve this problem.
Right.